Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to navigate a particular user from one route to another route by using our link navigation. So in my previous video I have explained how to configure the routes and how to test them directly by the URL. In this video we will see how to navigate from one page to another page by using your link or by using HTML elements. Let me go into another slide where I'll show you what we'll cover. First thing is configuring the links. Second thing is by clicking on the link, it has to navigate to a specific route, and this has to be handled at the HTML level. So let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code and see in reality. So now what I'll do is I have about, I have dashboard, I have a products page, and what I want to show is I want to show a link on top of my HTML where it helps us to navigate. Here we need three links. So let me go into the layout because I want to make these links as common for all the routes. So let me create a div, and inside this div I'm just creating a link. So in general we'll go with the anchor tag. So let me go with anchor tag with a href. How it behaves and what is the problem by using anchor tag. So let me write something like dashboard. And now let me copy the same thing and put it over here, and let me make this as about, and one more is products. So now I can use href to go towards dashboard itself, and I can use something like just a dashboard or slash dashboard and slash about and slash products, and this route should match your folder structure. So let me save this and go here. Now you have these three, we don't have a proper spacing. Let me use and nbsp, and I can copy paste all this and save this. Go here. Now you've got a dashboard, about, and a products. So what I'll do is let me zoom it a bit, and when I click on dashboard, you can see it has navigated to dashboard and it is showing the dashboard on the output. But you have to observe this particular reload option. It will refresh your entire page once you navigate from one page to another page. Let me click on about. Again the same thing. Products, again the same thing. So it is refreshing your application. That means we are trying to violate our single page application. Single page application should only load once, and all the remaining content should be managed by using content management system, and that is where the system is called as single page application. So now what I'll do is how to handle this single page application. Let's see. Instead of using an anchor tag, we have to use something called as a link tag, which is provided by Next.js itself. So there is a library next/link. So with this module I can use this link tag, and now I'll change all my anchor tags to link tags. So let me change this to a link tag and save this. Nothing changed. So only this particular link tag got changed. Let me go here and let me refresh once, and now once I click on dashboard, you can see it is just navigating without refreshing your whole page. So that is how you can use your navigations. And also if you want to go to a specific content or specific div, again you can use something like hash, and you can give the id. Let me consider like product one. If you are giving so, it will go directly to that particular product id where the id is configured. For example, let me go into products page, and inside this product page what I'll do is I'll just create something called as a div, and cut this, put it over here, and just format this. Now what I'll do, I'll just create something like h1s. So let me go with 5 or 6 h1s just to make it scroll down, and let me save this. Now let me go into the products. You can see this many products we have. I'll just change one product, that is product route sample. So I'll give an id for this as sample, and when I click on that particular link, if you want to directly scroll to this h1, then you can use this id. So I can use this id on top of this. Save this, go here, and let me click on dashboard. Let me come back to products. Now you can see it went directly to your sample and it is showing on the top. Here we don't have any scrolling. If you have more scrollings, then it will come to the top level. So this is not a feature given by Next.js, but in general the anchor tags will work like that. In the same way, the link tag of Next.js will also work. So let me click on this and click on products. You can see products route sample is on the top. You have many routes in the top, but it is showing something where the ID is given and that is leveled up at the top level. So that is how you can use your link tag, same like anchor tag. So this feature is provided by anchor tag itself, but even you can use even you can use on the link tag. So that is how you can create your layout. And if you see this layout have two problems now. The thing is here, this layout, if it grows, we have to come to our layout.js and we have to change it. Instead of doing that, what we can do is we can make this a separate component and we can keep with us. It is not a page, it is not a layout, but it is a separate React component that can be injected into your layout.js. So how to create this as a separate component and how to inject that component into our layout.js, we'll see in the upcoming video. And the second problem is this particular links are not highlighted. For example, I'm in products, that is not highlighted. I'm in about, that is not highlighted. So by seeing the URL only, we can say this particular link is highlighted. This particular link is active. So other remaining things are inactive. That is not presented properly or represented properly. That also we will see in the upcoming video. Before going to that, we need some set of understanding on CSS. So we'll complete the CSS modules and then we will go to the understanding of this particular scenario. So the navigation problem. So first, let me go with the component creation in our particular Next.js project and how to use it. All this code will be available on my GitHub. I'll provide the link in the description. You can directly go to that particular branch and you can see this particular code and you can just clone it and you can try it out by yourself. So that's it about this video. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.